know cows say moo.
You want to go in there?
Touch his eyelashes.
Don't touch him.
Yeah.
You heard? Go in. You, both of y'all can go in. Fed him. Look, Monty.
Still weak now.
Head hard.
It got horns.
He get a free pass, bro.
Monty, you not even. Monty.
He don't care.
You not, look at, he pet him, but he not looking.
I want him to say moo. I don't know if cows actually say moo. Hey, you gotta wait.
Y'all get out? You done? You could come.
They look so weird.
Bye.
Hey. Cody. Cody.
Touch one.
Cody.
Touch one. Touch him. Pet him. You scared? Not finna do nothing to you.
Oh, they eat grass?
Yeah, they eat grass.
They're trying out.
Look at the baby one. Nick. Look at that one.
I touched his child.
Money. Yeah, we yeah. We're together. Amani. You scared? Nick. We about to go. We could go with them, man.
Yeah.
Stand right here. You're gonna ride the big horse. Okay?
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
You're gonna stand right here. You're next to me.
Yeah, stuff the neck. Stuff the neck. Around the neck.
Put the head back on. Let's see.
Money, move. Yeah, that's it.
You ready? You think it's ready? He won? Good job, buddy. I'm right here. stuck? All right, go Black. Hold on to the rope.
Okay.
You hold on to the rope. Say cheese on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No?
To my surprise, he belongs to man.
Go stand up next to the hay.
Graveyard